Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card on your Airbnb account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the Explore page, if you wish to add a gift card onto your account, tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner. From the profile page, tap on Payments and Payouts, and then tap on Credits and Coupons. From here, you will be able to find the Add Gift Card option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter the PIN code for your gift card. Just type in your gift card PIN number, and then tap on the Redeem Gift Card option. Once you tap on this option with the PIN number entered, your gift card will be activated, and it will be added onto your Airbnb account right away. You can now use this card in order to make your payments. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a gift card onto your Airbnb account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.